Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the Cool Teacher back again. Actually about to pick up from where I left off in my last video. I'm still multiplying fractions in this video, but this time I'm gonna simplify within the fraction, like while I'm doing it, instead of simplifying at the end. It may sound a little complex, but it's really not. Actually, I prefer to do things this way. So let's go ahead and get those fractions back. That was, come on, 3/4 times 4/5. Now, if you remember before, first thing I did is multiply it straight across. 3 times 4 giving me 12, and then 4 times 5 giving me 20. And then I simplified the 12 over 20. But this time I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is look for two numbers that can actually simplify. Okay? And whenever I'm simplifying from numerator to denominator. Now, the numerator, I gotta explain this because my homeboy Dev said I have to tell y'all what the numerator denominator is. So, the numerator is gonna be the number on top of the fraction. Okay? So, in these problems, the 3 right here, you see me circling it, is going to be the numerator, and the 4 is gonna be the numerator as well. In the bottom, this 4 and the 3/4 is going to be the denominator, and the 5 is also going to be a denominator. So numerator is the number on the top of a fraction, denominator is the number in the bottom of a fraction. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, we can only simplify from numerator to denominator, whether it's numerator to denominator in its own fraction, or numerator and denominator in fractions that are next to one another. Okay, so in this case, if I'm looking here, 3 doesn't go into 4, 4 doesn't go into 5. Okay, and when I say go into, I'm sorry, it's not divisible, meaning it won't go in without a remainder. Okay, so it goes in, but it's not divisible. 4 goes into 5, but it's not divisible. We'll get a remainder there. So now I can try to cross simplify. So going from a numerator to a denominator. Okay, now 3 can go into 5, but it's not divisible, it's not even. But if I look here, 4 can go into 4. Okay, because they're the same number. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to divide both 4 and 4 by what number goes into them. 4, obviously. So let me go ahead and divide both of these by 4. Okay, so what this will do is it'll give me a new fraction. It's a whole lot easier to multiply, in my opinion. And let's go ahead and rewrite that new fraction. As you can see, I changed up the blue too, because Dev's like, I can't see the other blue you used, so he was criticizing my video, but you know, it's cool. I'm glad he gave me his feedback. So now this whole fraction is going to come down here. So 4 divided by 4, I'm going to rewrite this. Sorry. 4 divided by 4 is going to give me 1 times, and 4 divided by 4 obviously is going to give me 1 again, and then the 5. Everybody see what happened? All I did was simplify these two 4s. Cross simplified them. Okay? So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is multiply straight across like I did before. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is multiply this 3 times this 1 like I did before, and this 1 times this 5. Ooh, that arrow is trash. Alright, so it is 1 times this 5. Okay, and when I do that, what I'm going to get is 3 over 5. Now, if you guys remember the last video, that's the same answer I got when I simplified 12 over 20. Okay, simplified 12/20, I got 3/5. Here, I'm getting the same exact thing. So, this is how you simplify a fraction within the problem and not have to simplify afterwards. So, if you're doing, or if you're multiplying fractions and you want to simplify within the problem and not after, this is the option that you have. Okay, So that's how you do it. Hopefully this helped you out, and I'll be back with more videos. Matter of fact, please like, comment, or subscribe. All right, and if you want to follow me on Twitter at TheCoolTeacher. She is spelled kind of funny, but I have to do that. There's other people that trying to beat me out there. Follow me on Instagram at I'm the Cool Teacher, and also follow me on Facebook at TheCoolTeacher. Gonna be putting up more content, and please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that again because I know you guys want to see more stuff. So let me know what you want to see. All right, it's TheCoolTeacher. I'm out.